Hey, it's Ryan. Today we're doing a bit of an unboxing with the Traxxas Slash Modified. My dad and I both have Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive trucks, but since we're mostly just doing dirt oval, we figured it was time to transition over to the Modified. These have the brushless 2S motors, which our trucks do not, so that'll be a nice little upgrade to have some more speed. So we'll dive into it, unbox it, and then get out on the track. All right, let's open this thing up. All right, here it is, pulled straight out of the box. Plastic cover on it. I think it's attached to this cardboard somehow. There we go. Just unclip the front, which is nice. It has the clipless system. It's got two zip ties holding it down. One in the front, one in the rear. There's one. There's two. All right, so here's everything that comes in the box. Some manuals. Looks like a little catalog for some battery stuff. Two sticker sheets, which have like a nice thickness to them. So that's cool. A little foam block, which I'm assuming is probably for the battery. I'm not 100% sure. I'm assuming this is a little warranty mailer. Yep. A little toolkit, obviously the body, the car itself, and then the controller. There are not batteries in the controller. You're going to need 4 AA's. And then unlike the Slash truck, this one does not come with a battery or charger for the car. So if you're coming from the Slash side with the truck and you have that stuff, awesome. If you're new and you're getting this, make sure you get a battery and a charger. So I picked the red, although it is kind of blue heavy, but they're calling it red, and you can tell on the box the different shocks are actually colored. So there's 5 options. Again, I went with the red. There's orange, green, pink, and blue. One of our buddies has the pink car already, so we went with this, and my dad got the green one. All right, I'm getting mine set up with the GoPro while the old man unboxes his. He got the green, and just for a note, if you are buying one in store, make sure you check the sticker on the side, because like that white circle is the one that it says you're getting, because the box is the same no matter what color. So don't get the wrong one. All right, we're getting those all set up. We'll do a little track walk. Here's what we got. We have some bad grooves in it just because we were trying out one scraper box on the tractor. And then as the soil has become more moist, the grooves have gotten worse. But it is what it is for now. Once we get another rain, hopefully next week, we'll smoothen it out. But we've just been taking the little electric leaf blower and blowing off the debris once it gets some marbles and stuff on it. But it's fun and it's at home. It's not perfect, but as we get more into this, I think we'll figure out a track prep that works. And you know, who knows, maybe we'll end up going racing somewhere. All right, here goes the maiden run. You already making adjustments?
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Freaking get it set
Oh
up
my.
for freaking.
All right, here we go.
God, that sounds amazing. That's the trick on the body. Set it in there and push. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't push that turn on button.
well, we ran them till the sun went down, and we ran one whole battery. What was it, the 5800s? So far so good. Definitely got to make some adjustments and work on some track work, but pretty sweet.